angels, welcome back to my channel Shweta Shetty. So today's look is on this beautiful eye makeup. This look is one of the best one. If you really want, usually you can say this is like a fashion look. In fashion also there are various kind of looks, so this is one of the wearable look and I really like because I've kept my lips subtle. I was actually thinking that I should try one more shade of it, like a darker shade also. I should try and see how it looks. I will try, and surely if I think of trying, in the end of the video you will see the pictures of the different lipsticks. Okay, I don't know why today I'm just fumbling so much. Usually I'm an animal print lover, not endorsing all these things, but I'm saying I like animal prints. So usually if you see me more of in my wardrobe also, in my as you have seen my nails also, there is animal prints which I really like and it attracts me a lot, specifically leopard, tiger, this kind of prints I really like. So like when I have just incorporated this glitter liner with this. So if you don't have glitter liner, no problem, just try like this only. If you have eyeliner, common black eyeliner, try with the black eyeliner also. It will give a very nice look. Do try. Please comment and please tell me how the look came out, how you like it, what was the difficulties you were facing, and please post it. My Instagram ID is at Dazzle Eyes by Shweta Shetty. Please tag me so that I will know that how this look has come on you, and I will surely share on my story, my Instagram stories, your pics of this makeup. Okay, till that time stay tuned. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Ring the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any of my upcoming videos. Okay, are you ready to see how we are gonna do this kind of a beautiful look? Let's go. I have already moisturized and primed my face, and I'm taking my Huda Beauty color corrector and I'm just correcting around my mouth. If you have more uneven skin tone also, you can apply on that all parts also. Now taking my Huda Beauty foundation in shade Baklava, I'm just blending it all over my face with help of my beauty blender. Be very soft and light handed when you blend on your face. Just don't dab it. You don't have to put the makeup inside your skin. Now just groom your brows the way you usually do and you like. This is gonna play a very vital role in today's makeup. So just groom it, fill it up the way usually you do, because any which ways we are gonna cut that brows. So you can see I have filled my brows. I'm done with my brows. Now taking my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in shade medium, I'm just brightening up my face, that is under my eyes and the T-zone, and blending it again with my beauty blender soft handedly, because that is the most sensitive skin on our face, that is around our eyes. Now taking my Lakme compact powder, I'm gonna set my face. Usually I use loose powder, but today I'm using my compact powder. That is okay, whatever is readily available with you girls, you can just set your face. The reason behind setting the face is just that your product should not melt it out. That's it. Today we are going to use only powder products, so I'm using my powder contour palette from BH Cosmetic, and I'm using a dark chocolate shade to contour my face. I have a little broad, you can see, forehead, so I like to contour it more. Now taking my Sivana blush palette, I will just blush my cheeks, obviously the happy cutest cheeks, with the nice pink shade. I usually don't do this, what I have did right now by smiling and putting the blush, but I was just having some fun with my music and I did it. Now coming to the most important part, that is our brows. I'm just cutting it with the help of my concealer that I use to brighten up my face. I'm just cutting it and I'm making that my brows are just, you can see a partial visible dark, and with help of my brow kit, the black shade I'm taking and just making a triangle shape. Whichever brow color you have a darker brown color eyebrows, you can take darker brown. Now taking a light cream powder, I'm just setting that complete concealer within the triangle. Now I will take a little dark brown color, that is the chocolate color which we used on our face to contour, and I'm just spotting it out. I think it's not visible on the camera, but when I will do on my eyes it will be more visible.
And with the help of my eyeliner, I am just, wherever I have spot that brown, dark brown shade, I have just rounded it from both the side with help of my eyeliner. Now coming on my eyes with this is my ColourPop Hello palette. I am taking a shade that is DTR and just creasing my eyelids, not eyelids but my crease. Now taking this shade Pull String with on the smaller blending brush, I am again creasing it. So what today we are going to do is cut crease. So there are 3 different shades in my crease. Now I will take a more smaller brush than this, and I am taking a pure black eyeshadow and again creasing completely near exact to my crease line. Before the color which I have applied, that was above the so I've taken that above my crease, very like very above my crease I have taken. Then I have taken different colors close to my crease. So now here I'm doing the cut crease. We are doing today full cut crease. So taking my concealer, I'm just cutting my crease. You can see how beautiful it has been cut. Now taking a light beige powder, I'm just setting this crease because concealer is of cream product, so we have to set it because we are using the powder products now. So taking the dark chocolate color, this you can take any kind of this kind of colors, or you can take even dark orange color also. And I'm just putting few spots here and there on my eyelids. Wherever you want you can put. There is no scientific law or rules about where to put it or where to just put that dot. So you can do wherever you want to. And then again with the help of the eyeliner, this is my pencil eyeliner. I'm just rounding the both the side of the spots. So you can see how I'm doing. If you have a big eyelid, you can make more leopard prints. If there is no, you can see in between what I'm doing is I'm just putting black dots, because usually if you see carefully the leopard prints, you can see in between there is also here and there's few black spots. So wherever I am feeling there is little empty space, I'm just dotting that black color on it. Now taking the same colors which we have used in our crease, that all the 3 colors, I am just smudging my lower lash line with my smaller smudge brush. Don't forget to smudge with the black color also. Now I was just thinking what to do more. I was not so satisfied with the way the crease was looking, so I have taken the black color, the black eyeshadow again, and I am just making my crease more prominent. Now taking my Tarte glitter glue, this is little golden silver mixed glitter glue, not glitter glue but glitter eyeliner, sorry. And I am just putting that on my crease itself. It actually came out so beautiful, I was just thinking what to do, but this made the whole look come together and just boom. So here the eyes are done. I have also put my false lashes also, that is from Tarte. And now from my Glimmer Sticks brown lip pencil, I am just lining my lips. Taking my ColourPop lip shade in shade, this is the shade Calypso. Yes, Calypso. I have just used that on my lips. And taking today I am using gloss. Yes, I really wanted a glossy effect today because this look was really light. So glossy, highlight your face. Taking this highlighter from ColourPop, I'm just highlighting the inner corner of my eyes, the brow bones, the bridge of my nose, and all over my face. I'm just using the same highlighter. Glossy lips, nice highlighted cheeks, highlighted brows, it's this look overall, it just give wow. Now setting my complete face with ColourPop setting spray. I'm done with the look and I hope you all love this. It has come out so nice.
So this is the look. It has come out really nice. I have actually not thought that it will be this output, this result. I was not expecting, yes, but I was always targeting it. So I really like the way it has come, and I have kept very subtle. I have not used any cream products on my face. I mean contour, cream contour or cream blush, nothing, just powder products, because I really wanted, the eyes should stand out in this complete look. That's why as I've mentioned, the lip also I have kept very subtle. but I am really thinking to try a different dark shade also, and let's see how it looks. But I really like this, you know, it gives you a very strong look, you know. And I'm an animal lover and I like animal prints, as I have mentioned, so I'm really loving and not feeling like removing it. But you know what, it's too late. It's 12:30 right now and I'm shooting this, so I really have to take it out and sleep, have my good night sleep. So till that time, you enjoy. I hope you all like this look, and as I've shared, please share your pics on my Instagram, tagging at Dazzle Eyes by Shweta Shetty. Tag me with this, it's my Instagram ID, and I will surely take all your pictures on my Instagram stories and tag you. Let me see how it came out and what other inventions you have done in this look. Till that time, stay safe, stay home, take care. I love you.